Hello, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. So currently looking at Finnifty expiry today. So levels देखते हैं. What are the key levels? So this is a monthly chart, Finnifty. So the first thing which I'm seeing is the volume imbalance. So ये दो candles के बीच में there is no body as of now. So until unless there is a body, we have to keep this on a chart because market will time and again levels को आके it will test until there is a body. So that's a clear area for us to mark at this point. And overall market is taking a kind of a showing some sort of a support at these 23,000 levels. So basically वो इसका midpoint is around about that 23,000 levels. So expectation ही है कि market, if it's gonna come down, some sort of support इधर लेगा. But again, for today's expiry, I don't think itna matter कर रहेगा, because it's a little far. So just this is for reference. So let's switch to weekly chart. The weekly chart, again, there's this fair value gap. Market has gone up and now it's trying to come down. So looking at the weekly chart, it looks like it's going to be a bearish expiry. So also if you see the VIX, sometimes it plays a very crucial role. Like if you see week of 7th October, uska agar you plot the levels, it just took support from that 0.618 levels, basically 23,500 levels, and it just retraced from there. And same thing happened in the following week as well, 14th October. If you're focusing on that wick, it just came to that 0.618 levels and 0.5 the midpoint, and then it went back from there. So it's always good that whatever nearby wicks you see, you just mark that point, midpoint, those three levels. See market kaisa react karega, right? So for today, I think again the 23,650 levels. Again ये जो volume imbalance है उसका उधर से market fill करके it can take some sort of a support and go back. Seeing what has been happening again, not necessarily कि ये होगा ही, but again it's a game of probability. So ऐसे हो रहा है, so today also it might just fill this gap, the volume imbalance, and kind of retrace from there. So yeah, even it's a little far, but let's mark this volume imbalance as well. As part of it's a larger fair value gap, but I'm just not going to mark the fair value gaps for now because mostly these are filled by this wick. But yeah, this volume imbalance stays. And upside is just these pivot points. So those are so yeah, until unless market doesn't close above like 24,000, I don't think there's any reason for us to go long. And even this wick, current wick which is there, that level is coming out to be 24,000. So 23,950. So again, I would like market is 23,950 levels पे आके सपोर्ट लेके ऊपर फेयर वैल्यू गैप बनाए, then these swing highs will become targets. So at this point, these are the key levels on the weekly. For today's expiry, let's switch to daily. Daily में units nearby highs I'm trying to mark. Yeah, 24,000 seems like a good level market to take a resistance and kind of come down from there. And here's this volume imbalance as well. On a daily, which market has not filled. There's no body in दो candles के बीच में. आपको ऊपर एक ये clear gap है, but doesn't look like आज इतना move आएगा. But we'll focus on this 23,950 levels. The market opens flat, goes above it, stays. Then your 24,000 call or buy or put sell trade might be a good option. But overall market is looking weak, so all these volume imbalance targets lag rahe hain aaj ka. But we'll see like how market opens and kis side market move kar rahi hai based on the fair value gaps is creating. Yeah. Okay, let's look at 4 hours. 4 hours is this clear gap on volume imbalance. But I'll focus on this. It's the volume imbalance. And then we have a clear gap which is pending. There's no trading happened in that region. So again, like I said, market ऊपर कहीं open हो रहा है, flat open हो रहा है, then these will be a good clear targets for today. Again, look at this 24,000, 23,950 levels. Just observe कि market कैसा react कर रहा है वहाँ पे. Because what has happened yesterday, market ने एक bullish move दिया था in the morning, but then at the end it just ran in the opposite direction and वो move एकदम negate कर दिया. So it looks like it's going to be a bearish to like a sideways kind of an expiry. Again, we're not going to predict. I'm not predicting anything. I'm just trying to see कि जहाँ probability ज़्यादा है वो क्या areas हैं. So market is kind of showing us कि I'm bearish, so take bearish trade. So that's what we're going to focus. This is a 1 hour. 1 hour, this is a clear fair value gap. This is overlapping with the volume imbalance on a higher time frame, so we need to mark that. This is also becomes a fair value gap, 3-candle pattern. So yeah, on the upside, I don't see any gaps or anything. Let's switch to 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Again, this fair value gap stands. We can actually go ahead and mark this slightly outside the volume imbalance area. Mark this by green. And even this is being covered by the volume imbalance and the clear gap, so it's yeah okay. There's this large wick as well, so midpoint is at 23,500 levels. That also becomes important. Let's switch to 15 minutes. Yeah, all these fair value gaps are important. Yeah, again, like first market में day before एक down move दिया था, and then it recovered everything. So this actually becomes a balanced price range. Market has kind of spent a lot of time either this range where, if you see on the left, market has been just going up in that 24,000, 23,500 and just back and forth हो चुका है. So if market is again opening like flat and slightly positive और ये 23,950 levels के ऊपर आती है, then it looks like market is turning slightly bullish in my opinion. But yeah, if market is gonna close somewhere like in the middle of the structure, then it's gonna tell us कि market is going to be bearish for few more days and lower levels दिखेंगे हमें. So pretty crucial है आज का expiry to understand whether this balanced price range is valid or not, because market itna time will not stay in the same range, right? So somewhere it needs to move. So our goal would be to understand how market move hone wali hai. So I'll be taking more bearish trades if market is closing below this gap, is like 23,800 levels, and just trying to take that as a resistance. So yeah, let's switch to 5 minutes and see anything close by if we can see. All these gaps, fair value gaps, and this gap can become target if everything is just really bearish. Yeah, I don't see anything else. 5 minutes on 1 minute. There are fewer fair value gaps, just small ones, which are still ending in the markets. But yeah, I don't think it's that important. Like this one, this candle is still a pretty small one, so I think it will be filled. Yeah, I don't think we need to mark that one. 30 seconds. Don't see anything. No visible gaps. $15 seconds. No, I don't see any gaps. So yeah, we'll try and take trades based on how market is opening and creating fair value gaps. Accordingly, we'll kind of decide our bias. So again, I'll be coming up with few of the concepts from basic level, like how ICT concepts make sense. Got a couple of requests from people who have subscribers. They want me to even cover those aspects. So मैं करूँगा. And also, like I said, I'll be doing few live trades just to share with you guys how we can grow like account from a smaller capital. So stay tuned for that. We can have a discussion in those sessions. So thanks for watching, and it's a new channel, so please do subscribe and give this these videos a like. So really appreciate. Thank you.